All right, to get going on the VTScada setup, you just double click the installer, and this is going to install VTScada 12.1.34. And you can agree, put in your information here. You'll need to put in your installation key. If you don't have an installation key, just click the Use VTScada Lite checkbox here. Next up, it's going to tell you the license information that will be installed. Make sure that you are installing the license you intended to on this machine. Okay, the installation path. The VTScada is the default path. You can install VTScada wherever, but if you're doing an upgrade, make sure that you install the new version over the old version. However, you can even upgrade or install multiple locations of VTScada if you wanted to do, say, VTScada 12.1 and have a 12.0 installation somewhere else. We're going to do everything normal and click finish. And there you go. That's everything you need to do to install VTScada on your system.